There we go. Birthday tomorrow. So we brought a few cars out. TRD. SRT. Show y'all my baby. Got my guys out here shooting. Yeah, we all black. With the orange. Look, I can see that it's a little dark out here.
There you go. Alright, here. Make sure you don't drop it.
Yes, sir. Then we go straight to this. Oh, you got nuts for that one.
Get you a picture.
Look, he got him using the camera.
Yep. Look it. There you go. Yeah, you just did.
Steven, please don't drop that.
You got his head. Look, here. I'll show you. Here.
Yes, sir, we outside.
There you go. That's a pretty good picture.
He's out here lightning and thunder. Come on, man. What you want to say?
Hi, everybody.
Yes, sir. We outside. And look at dude Miata. This more hella dope. Said he got $8 grand in it. It died?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Brought the whips out, man. B-Day tomorrow. AC popping. Know what this is? Got my guys out here doing a couple photos. Black and orange. No we on. Got the TRD up here too. Got my cousin over and a little man. That ain't black or orange. Thought about doing it, but it's black and red all the way through, so we out here. Look at little dude. Dude terrible.